This interview is presented by Barma Lorry and Company Limited, a Government of India enterprise with 160 years of trust.
The first solo travel that I did just gave me so many different perspectives. So basically, unless you do that one solo trip, you don't know what you really like. I have two very lovely dogs.
Okay.
I travel a lot.
Yeah.
I read a lot. I do pottery. I love swimming. So I love spending time underwater. Love diving. There's so many things.
Are you a planner, traveler, or someone who just lands and explores spontaneously?
I do basic
Yeah.
bookings and all you have to do. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be homeless, so I do basic bookings.
Yeah.
Like there are times where I really want to like go on a trip where I don't want to be disturbed at all. I want to be by the sea and I want to chill and I want to have a quiet time because I've had a lot of interaction with a lot of people. Yeah.
Which destination changed your perspective on life?
Choosy in the sense, I follow my intuition. I'm not very calculative. I do follow my intuition. I do think that right now.
Hi, this is Jan. You're watching me in Galata, India. Today I'm in conversation with someone who is very gorgeous, very talented, very creative, presenting Shalini Pandey. Hi,
Thank
Shalini. How
you.
have you been?
I've been very good. Hunger is in my mind, on my mind. I can't even form a sentence properly, but I'm looking forward for this interview.
What you're gonna eat first, honey? The moment you reach home.
I think dal rice, yeah. I'm really craving some dal rice. Like basic, good dal and rice. I think that.
Huh?
Yeah.
You're not foodie, I think, na? Not at all.
Foodie, मतलब क्या होता है foodie?
Food मतलब junks भी खा लिया, ये
नहीं
भी खा
नहीं
लिया,
नहीं.
वो
Junk
भी
wunk
खा
I don't
लिया.
eat. And not that I'm against it. I don't think I like it. I don't like fried food and all of that. So yeah.
True. Coming back to Banwale, I mean, what a project! I loved
Thank
it. Loved
you.
your performance. To be very specific.
Thank you.
And I really want to say you were looking gorgeous. Absolutely,
you.
the whole project, whole series. But what drew you to do this emotionally? ये कितना different बनाता है बाकी projects से?
Mariam?
हाँ.
It's basically a slice of life character anyway, like right, like it's the journey of this girl who's in a small town, is very ambitious, wants to do things, but also internally fighting her own demons. It's very relatable because also I have kind of had that journey when I was in Jabalpur. It comes from a very lived experience, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate to it because small town, especially women, we really have to fight every battle to be if you're ambitious and if you really want to do things and achieve big in life. So I do think that make different, I would say it had more emotional journey that I had to play in this one. So I do think that way it's different.
True. I'm sure इसमें भी काफी ऐसी चीजें होंगी जिसको आपने unlearn किया होगा बाकी project से. What was one
Yeah.
thing you did unlearn from the last projects?
I think every project you have to unlearn something because you have to unlearn an entire character that you must have played in the, and you have to also, while you have to listen to your director and see the vision, but you also have to relate to something so that you can, hold it as a core and then go on this journey. Mariam, for that matter, was very easy for me to relate because I've had those experiences. I have lived that experience. And together my co-actors, all of us together, we also had a lot of fun while playing those characters. So I do think when you're having fun on set, it shows on screen.
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
think there were all the different generation on sets, है ना?
Yeah.
Please tell me who was the most prankster, who used to crack jokes or something like that.
ऐसा कोई prankster वैंगster नहीं था हमारे set पे. I think we're all funny in different ways. I think Swanand sir has a very different humor. Zahan has a very different humor. My humor is very different from them. But also, I think together all of us really enjoyed working with each other, which I feel matters. Because if you're having a good time on set now, then it makes everything worth it. Then you want to go back to that set. Then you want to be in front of the camera. Then you want to work with your co-actors. And I do think that's the essence of everything. जब वो आता है, you can only hope that people love and relate to your character. But वो बहुत बात की बात होती है. The first thing is that I want to wake up and go to a set or not, right? So yeah.
वो एक motivation होनी चाहिए.
Yeah,
रोज
of
आने का,
course.
and that I think you sure enjoying it.
I
after that,
absolutely
है ना?
loved playing Mariam.
है
Yeah.
ना? But after playing so many characters, so many layered characters, have you been choosy?
Choosy in the sense, I follow my intuition. I'm not very calculative. I do follow my intuition. I do think that right now, also it's very important for me to work with people who I absolutely at least I have an idea that I'll have a good time working with them, and who motivates me and gets me out of my comfort zone so I can grow as an actor. Because I do feel that when you're working, you spend a lot of time on a set, right? You're really disconnected from the real world and you're in a bubble. And that becomes your world, that becomes your family. So it's very important that the space that I step into is a safe space. People are nice. The safe people to work with. I admire those people and I learn something from them. So I hope that that's something that I'm able to achieve.
But you're also in that favor that कि मैंने एक बार वो role कर लिया है तो I think I won't play the same role.
I don't think so. I do feel that core wise it could look similar, but every layer, every character, I hope there is layering and nuances. I just hope that there's no black and white, because then that's not exciting. That's not how human beings are. Human beings are complex. We have so many complexities. Even on surface level, if you can think that this person looks a certain way, I'm sure if you dig deeper, that person is very complex and you get to know. So I feel my fun and thrill of playing different characters is trying to find those complexities. It's kind of nice. It's kind of cool. At least for me, to be able to understand human psychology is a lot of fun. That's why maybe I'm an actor. Yeah.
And if you get a chance to choose 5 directors you want to work
I
with.
can't name her now, please. It's my list. I have. I don't want to say it out, but I do have those.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about one, talk to me about your one misconception what people have about you and they think that it's true, but it's not true.
But in what ways?
Anyways, it can be anything.
But I don't know what people will think. I don't know what people will think out. Like I don't know. Like I know what my friends or people who meet me initially can have. But I really don't know what other people think. And I don't think I think also like that. I'm not saying I don't care, but I don't think that's how I don't think I have the bandwidth to keep thinking that what do people think about me. It's it takes a lot of space,
Yeah.
So I do think, no, I don't put my head into that.
But people or actor generally do wait for ना कि मेरे बारे में क्या चल रहा है, or you Google yourself sometimes, something like that.
I ask my team,
हाँ.
but वो उसी टाइम का रहता है कि पता चल गया, but I don't, I can, for example, I can ask someone from my team कि hey, what's happening? But will I sit down with it and think about it and dwell in that? No. But that's not my personality. I move on very quick. I want different things. I'm curious about things. I want to move on in life. I want to do something better. I want to read a book. I want to be on a set. I'm constantly thinking about different things. So I don't think I think like that. Yeah.
But generally, actor is around fame and everything. How do you find your quietness or peace?
I have 2 very lovely dogs.
Okay.
I travel a lot.
Yeah.
I read a lot. I do pottery. I love swimming. So I love spending time underwater. Love diving. There's so many things.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I do a lot.
Since you said right now travel, I'm gonna do quick travel segment and we'll wrap it up this interview. Okay. So we'll start. It's Travel Diaries with Shalini Pandey.
Okay.
ठीक है? Are you a planner, traveler, or someone who just lands and explores spontaneously?
I do basic
Huh?
bookings and all you have to do. Yeah. I mean, I don't want to be homeless. So I do basic bookings.
Yeah.
But sometimes I don't even do, like I'll do the basic booking. For example, I just had a trip, okay? So I've reached this place, I have that booking, but after that I am on the go. Then I'm on the, like I want to explore. I'm not a planner for sure. Yeah.
What does your ideal vacation look like? Silence, adventure, or cultural exploration type?
Depends on what I'm looking for. Like there are times where I really want to like go on a trip where I don't want to be disturbed at all. I want to be by the sea and I want to chill and I want to have a quiet time because I've had a lot of interaction with a lot of people. But there are days when like, I want to also go to a place where I'm feeling a little chit-chatty and I want to go and talk to strangers because I love listening to stories. I love talking to different people. I love interacting with strangers. So I do think depending on that, and I love exploring a city. I love exploring a town. I do love exploring the culture and the taste and food and everything. So I do think it depends on what I'm looking for.
It depends on mood, basically.
It depends on mood, yeah.
Beach person, mountain person, or a city wanderer?
Everything.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which destination changed your perspective on life?
Ooh, so many are. I think every travel that I've done, the first solo travel that I did, just gave me so many different perspective. It made me so basically, unless you do that one solo trip, you don't know what you really like. Can you be with yourself? Do you like being with yourself? Do you like your personality, who you are? Because every time you do a trip, right, when you're with someone, there's I don't think you exactly know what your likes and dislikes are. You can, because everything is mutual, right? You're also doing certain things for that person. You're also like doing things for yourself. But when you do that one solo trip, that's when you realize, oh, this is who you exactly are. And that made me realize, oh, I'm really like the certain facets of my personality that I got to know when I did my first solo travel. So that was life changing.
Life changing.
Yeah.
Wow. What's most unforgettable moment you have experienced while traveling?
I met few people when I was doing solo travel, and that's unforgettable because when you meet strangers,
Huh.
and when you locally see their town through their eyes, and I am talking about a place that was culturally completely different from what we see where we are from. And when you see it through their eyes, it's a very different experience. And the love and warmth that they gave me, I think that's something that I will never ever forget.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you collect memories or souvenirs, something when you go?
No,
No.
no, I'm not a hoarder or collector.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you kind of person who overpacks the travel or something like try light?
No, I'm a very light
Okay.
traveler.
Do new place influence the way you approach your characters?
Yes, I mean it's basically it's life. You're taking in from life, and then I'm playing life in real life. Actually, my job is to actually go and play a character and make a character, and make it look like it's real. So I do think I take a lot from real life, and that means a lot from travel. So the travel is important for me. Yeah.
That look fresh also when
Yeah,
you perform
yeah.
it. Have you ever returned from a trip feeling like a different person?
Different, I don't know, but feeling like I know myself better, and I like myself better, and I've experienced certain facets of my personality which I did not know I know, and I felt very grateful that I know now. So that way travel is life changing, I feel. Yeah.
Do you explore local street food or stick to safe comfort
No,
meals?
I go anywhere.
Local food.
Yeah, depends. I also love luxury, but I also love local stuff. So I think depending on what my mood is, depending on where my travel is taking me, depending on who I meet, it's again not planning at all. Depending on what I'm feeling.
So cool.
Yeah.
A place where the food alone made the trip unforgettable.
Sorry, food.
Only, food.
Yes, Italy. Oh my
Yeah.
God. I went to the smallest villages of Italy, and the food that I've had has been life changing. Yeah.
When you travel, do you live in the moment or capture everything on camera?
I am not on phone at all. So if someone is traveling with me, they click me.
Huh.
But if I'm traveling alone, there'll be no pictures sometimes. I'm not a phone person anyway. So yeah.
Okay, the last one. One travel picture you clicked but never posted. What was special about it?
Click and never post it. Could be animals. I click a lot of animals. I do click a lot of I don't click people that much, I've realized. I click animals a lot, and a lot of that has not been posted because you can't post everything on Instagram. So yeah, that's special.
Thank you. But if you
Thank
could
you.
share us where we gonna see you very soon.
I'm currently shooting for this film with Tips, and Sneha Taurani is directing it. Sunny Kaushal is in that film, so I'm very excited for that project. I'm still shooting for it, having a great time, and hopefully in that soon, and hopefully many more exciting things soon.
Wow. Galata wishes you a good luck.
Thank you.
Hope you keep doing and entertain us. So
Yes,
thank you so
thank
much for
you.
talking to me.
Thank
it was
you for
lovely
talking
talking to you.
Same, thank you.
This interview is presented by Bamal Lowry and Company Limited, a Government of India enterprise with 160 years of trust.